What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy filming, honestly, for like the third time this week. So hey, next week stay uploaded because these videos are going up. But I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting the channel. I truly do appreciate it. The channel's going up little by little. I appreciate all the views that are going up. And today, starting the vlog, today we're actually going on another cruise. I had super fun doing the last one, editing it, driving around with all the boys. So today we're actually going on another one. And yeah, we got the 5.0 ready, all washed up, looking clean, looking straight out the dealer, as you guys can see. But we're actually going to be meeting up with some of my boys a little bit earlier. We're on our way to the gas station right now. Just going to go chop it up, talk about just stuff, because yesterday we did get some racing footage in Mexico again. So hey, stay tuned for that video too. But yeah, we're going to go to the gas station, chill there for a little bit, then go to the actual meetup spot and roll off from there. So let's get it, boys. Pick you guys up when we're there. Boys, look at this. So we were at the gas station, now we're pulling up to the actual spot. Look at that big wing gang. That's my boy right there. We rolling. Got the 5.0 in front, Mero, another 5.0. Got some other cars back there. Guys, I still can't get over my boy's car, bro. This thing is so freaking nasty. Holy. Sheesh. All right, boys, made it. Damn, got the wicker bell. I think we're pretty early. People are probably pulling up right now. Look at this. We pulled up nice, boys. We pulled up nice. Damn, this shit is nasty. Look at this. Sheesh. Blue popping. Look at the whale. Let me go with the. Everybody tells me like, oh, I do not have a Z2. Yeah, so these cost like obviously one costs like $100, and then the droppings were $120. So like it's like a $200 setup. Yeah, I definitely know better than Nismo Shred Bar. I never actually seen it before, so I didn't know. All right, boys. So we're heading out. Time to head out, bro. All right, guys, we're just chilling for a little bit. talking. Getting rowdy, boy. Taking over the gas station. This boys. Shit, bro, we took over this gas station, bro. Shit. Yeah, huh? Yeah. Look at this, guys. Who's about to get pulled over today? Damn. Look at this. Sheesh. Oh my God, guys. Look at this, bro. This is lit. Hey, this is lit. Ooh, we still got more cars pulling up. Look at that. Jeez, boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's lit, boys. This how Town gets it done. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. As we officially took this over, we dip it. Let's get the crew started. Let's go. Can't get left behind. Alright, you guys, so we pulled up to a little spot, let the cars cool down a little bit. There we go. Damn, boys, look at that. We got to run in with this on the freeway right now. Shit, this shit blew my fucking ears. Sheesh. Bro, you blew my fucking ears, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, dude, my left ear was fucking like, oh shit.
I fucking locked out a fourth, so
yeah?
I was like, fuck, and then right when it went in,
I seen because you stopped a little bit, and I was like, oh shit.
I was like, oh.
Damn. No, yeah, I was when we were like neck and neck at the beginning, I was like, oh my, what the hell? Damn.
Yours is auto?
Oh, manual, bro.
Manual,
yeah, manual. What's up, bro?
How are you, man?
Chilling? What about you? What's up, bro? How you doing? Yeah, we all pulled up, bro. We pulled up fat.
Dude, fuck, I was about to hop on another banner.
What happened?
You guys got down here.
Oh, bro, we were smashing over here.
So one thing you guys gotta know, I just got...
Stick to? It's 10 speed. That thing is quick. His driver mod.
I did pretty
Is this yours, bro?
I did pretty
Hey, we got some good runs in right there, yeah. Shit.
He pulled on me, he's 10 speed.
Yeah, that shit pulled up to me. Like at first, I kind of got you at the beginning, but he just started.
Yeah, after that, bro, he's gone, yeah.
Yeah, like those few seconds.
I was a little ahead of him, just by time.
Yeah, the few seconds when I'm shifting, he just catches up, bro, like nasty. And he just starts pulling me. I'm like, damn.
It just keeps creeping up on it. And it like jumps forward.
Yeah.
It jumps forward because I had a 6-speed.
Bro, show them the fucking nitro.
Shut your
He got the bottle. He got the bottle in the back, huh?
Man,
Shit.
if I was spraying that shit,
That shit's
No, that shit would be freaking flying, bro.
You got turbos underneath.
He got that one sleeper kit, that one that they sell. Shit. Damn, this thing is nasty though, bro. Shit.
Yeah, I heard
Sheesh.
that. I would have done it by now, but since
Damn.
it's I don't really see
Yeah.
point yet, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna go flex fuel, header.
Fuck, boys. Damn, so we did get a run-in with this, guys. This shit is freaking quick. These fast guys. Sheesh. Chilling.
It just kind of creeps up.
Yeah, every shift you're gonna.
Yeah, every shift, bro. I was banging it, and then he was just already that few seconds, bro.
It makes a difference just not having
It
that
does.
little pause.
Hey, the computer's faster than a human, bro. Think about it. The gas pedal.
And I don't have driver mod either, bro. So it's like
Or
Yeah, you didn't do that bad, bro.
But it cooled him down because then he was fine.
we learning slowly.
It's probably my third race in my life.
Bro, the race that we got, I was in the wrong gear, bro. Yeah, I always drop down to second. We'll get a good one in, and I'll drop down to second.
I was 3. Yeah.
Oh, you're in 3? I always drop down to second.
I was on tour mode.
Oh, okay. Shit, my boy was.
So if I go to track, then I can drop it 2.
Oh, it's
I didn't
good.
know that. I was trying to go
okay.
to 2. It said shift to 9, shift to 9. I'm like, what the fuck?
Probably that's why, huh?
Yeah, tour mode, it doesn't let you go.
Yeah, when we got our runs in, I was in fucking third, cause I was kind of like scared to drop it a second, cause of the traffic. But then I was like, everybody's doing it. But then like we just went, and I was in third, and I was like, fuck, I'm not catching up. But I was like, I'll still go
We
though.
lost a lot of people.
Yeah, I was like, I'll still go though.
We were fucking gunning.
Hey, we did lose.
We lost.
Did we? Or is everybody here?
That's a couple left.
Hey, we pulled the fat though.
I'm sure. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if he'll sing or anything.
Like when we were turning on the bridge and I was watching us like on that one like exit, the first exit we just took, seeing the whole line and the motorcycles, and I was like, damn, pulled up pretty fat.
If it's not third, even with the short shifter, huh?
Yeah, I bet if you
That was fun though, not gonna lie.
if I'm in it was one there.
Damn. Where you going?
Is that your Mustang? Yeah. Are you stopped or?
2 minutes.
This shit is freaking nasty.
You guys want to follow me to the gas station? It's right there.
I'm down wherever.
Everybody's pulling up.
Everybody's going to that one?
Yeah, everybody's gonna go over there. It's a big parking lot too.
Hey, let me hear this real quick, bro. Shit is fucking loud, dude. Looks like we got another gas takeover, boys. We lost so many people. We don't even know where they went. These are just the remaining people we got. The boy filling up or what? Gotta feed up that 6.2, bro.
This thing fucking runs like
Sheesh.
gas like.
I bet it does. Oh, look at her. Okay. Look at this. It's a gas station takeover. Damn. This boys. All right, boys. Let's get out real quick. All right, you guys. So the cruise is done. Your boy had a freaking blast. The car did freaking amazing. I wish I could have like had somebody to like actually film like when I was getting a few races in with some of those cars. Man, that thing was so fun. Like I got a race with like a full bolt-on 5.0, a 10-speed, and like at first I was keeping up, but then they're just too quick. They're just the fast boys. But your boy had hella fun. I hope you guys found this video somewhat entertaining, exciting, seeing all the cars, seeing all of us together driving, and the lineup was big, guys. The lineup was fat. So hope this video is cool. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys are still tuning in, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam if you guys are all into this, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.